Hi guys, I'm gonna lower this bike, and before we're gonna lower it, I'm gonna measure the height, seat height at this very moment. I have a helper over here. We're gonna put it straight up. Okay, that. What I'm gonna do now is put my Oké. Kom daar. Hij moet een beetje naar die kant. Ja, zo. Even wachten. Yep, that's it. That's it. My wife is holding the bike upright. Dit is my thing. And I'm gonna take two measurements, I think. No, one. Yeah. See that this is the lowest point of the seat. Now, and at this moment the bike is exactly 80 centimeters high. We already have the lowered seat, so let's see how much lower it is with the lower seat. Let's do that first. This is the low seat. Yep. So, think. Er moet iets meer. Zo, oh. Kijk. Yep. Perfect. And with the lowest seat it is. Nou, dat scheelt. It's now. Is die perfect in the middle? Yes. And it's now 76 centimeters. So that's already 4 centimeters lower with a lower seat already. But we mount also a lower spring on the bike. So it gets another 2 or 3 centimeters, who knows? We will see. Eens kijken. Jij kunt, ja. Dus, ja. Ja.